Today, we're going to learn how to build a voice AI agent in less than 5 minutes. It's going to answer and field all our business calls instead of losing them to voicemail, and it's even going to send us a summary and transcript of the entire conversation when the call's over. And once we're finished, we'll give it a live test run and see how it performs. Let's dive in. So for this build, we're going to use a platform called HighLevel. If you want to follow along, you can grab the AI prompt we're going to use in a free 30-day trial in the link in the description. Once you log in, you want to go down here to AI agents on the left side there, and then right up here you want to click create your first voice AI agent. Okay, so here we can give our agent a name. We'll just go with Jess for now. Business name, I'm going to use a script for my HVAC, so that's going to be Cool Air Pros is the one that's in there. And for the voice, I actually don't use the Jessica. I prefer the Samantha voice here. I'll show you what it sounds like.
Before you put on a frown, make absolutely sure there are no smiles available.
So that's fine. I don't really care for this intro too much. It says, hey, have you reached? So I'm just going to put in here, hello, this is Jess with Cool Air Pros. Not how can I help you today? Just how can I help? All right. Hello, this is Jess with Cool Air Pros. How can I help? So that's all we need for that. Next. Okay, so here's where we got a couple options. We're going to switch to advanced mode because we're going to pop in our prompt and replace this original prompt. But down here, just for the demo, we're going to do a custom email, and I'll just put in one for myself here so I can show you the conversation summary. And got a couple options here. So call transfer, if it's really irate caller and they ask for a manager more than twice or something like that, you could do a call transfer to whoever in the system you'd want or another phone number. You could trigger workflow automations. You could update information for contacts. So if someone wanted to call in and update something about their file in the system, you could do that. And you can send an SMS or custom actions, which is in beta right now. But for our test, we're simply going to use the custom email to send the post-call completion. Now, I have a prompt that I built here. So like I said, you can download that with your link in the description, and that's going to be good for that. We will hit next. Here, we just pick our phone number. Now, you do not have to change the business phone number. The way you implement this is you simply tell the business owner, or if you're running it for yourself, you simply implement conditional call forwarding. Each carrier is going to have a different code that you put in for that. And all it's going to do is when somebody calls your business, the main line, instead of it going to voicemail after so many rings or whatever, it's going to get transferred to this number. So that's all we would do. Now I have a number in here already that I have that's available. You can buy a new number right here. You click on it. They're like $1 something. It's no big deal. Now, the only other option we're going to change is for this test, we're already going to have the phone ringing when it hits the original business owner's line. And so by the time it gets transferred for the AI, we want it to pick up right away. So we're going to turn this off. And it's going to say the AI agent will answer the calls directly. And that's all we have to do for this. If you want to set working hours here, you could. That's it. We're done. Hit save. Grab my phone here. This is this one. We're going to give Jess a call here. We're going to say we have an air conditioning problem.
Hello, this is Jess with Cool Air Pros. How can I help?
Hey, Jess. Looks like something's going on with my air conditioner. Not really sure. I had the set point set for 65 and it's like 72 in here, so I'm sweating to death. Some people are wordy.
Oh no, it sounds like your air conditioner is taking a little vacation without you. Let's see if we can get it back to work. Is your system not cooling at all? Or is it just not performing as well as it should?
It's on, but the air's not really that cold coming out. Maybe, I don't know if it's low in refrigerant or I don't know.
It sounds like your AC might be having a bit of a chill out session instead of chilling you out. Sometimes, if the air isn't as cold as it should be, it could be due to low refrigerant levels or even a dirty filter. Have you noticed any unusual sounds or leaks coming from your unit?
No, I haven't noticed anything unusual.
All right, that's good to know. Sometimes the issue can be as simple as a clogged air filter. When was the last time you had maintenance performed on your system?
It's been about probably 2 years. Should have had you guys out here by now, I know. My bad.
No worries. It happens to the best of us. Your AC might just be feeling a bit neglected. Okay, I'm going to relay this information to the team. Is there anything else you would like to go over before we look at getting someone out there?
No, that's pretty much everything.
Great. Is the number you're calling from a good callback number for you? If not, could you please provide the best number to reach you at? And may I have your first name, please?
Yeah, this is my cell, so this number's fine. And my first name is John.
All right, John, did I get your name right?
Yes, you did.
Fantastic, John. I'm glad I got it right. Thank you for sharing your information. You can expect a call back from Tim, our service manager, within the next 2 hours to get your AC back in action. I know you'll be feeling cool and comfortable again soon. Have a great rest of your day.
Hey, thanks, Jess. I appreciate that.
You're welcome, John. It's my pleasure to help. Stay cool and take care.
And right here is our transcript delivered. So we have the company logo. AI employee has handled another call. And here's a call summary. The agent assisted John with his air conditioning issue, gathered necessary information, and assured him of a callback from the service manager within 2 hours. The conversation was friendly and supportive, ending on a positive note. Details from the contact and the phone number. And then here's the transcript of the entire call, right? So that's instantly sent out so that you can reply appropriately. All right, so if you'd like to try setting this up for yourself, link in the description with our prompt and the HighLevel trial. You could literally set it up for free, or if you'd like me to set it up for your business for you, link down there is for that as well. You can book a call and we can talk about our strategy specific for your needs. So hope that was valuable to you. If you like this video, you can watch my next one on AI agents right here.